week 45. I just finished week 45. I just watched my week 44 video, and yeah. So like week 44, I moved into London, stayed in a friend's house, and came to my new house. And I've been in this house, in this new house, new rented house for like a week now. The setup is mostly ready. Like, no, it's ready, I think. Like, I got the table last time, I recorded it on a box. I used a box as a table. I got my own bed, my own cupboard, like a wooden chair, but not the best chair, but still. The um, the setup is there, is there. But this week was a very tough week. I thought it was gonna go very smoothly. Like I made that video in the beginning of week 45. Right now is the start of week 46. It's Tuesday right now. I made this video yesterday, but that video got deleted somehow, and I don't know what happened to it. So yeah, I'm making this video again. It's Tuesday. It's 3:32 p.m. right now, and I'm recapping what happened in week 45. But we're not going to talk about week 46. We're going to talk about week 45. So at the beginning of the week, it was tough, man. It was tough. So I got a little diary here. So in the like this week, I wanna get away with the loss thing really quickly. Like this week, the loss was bad. It was just uncontrolled. Not like some days was good, but mostly it was a collapse. And it's not like I'm going back to my old habits. It's just that, like I said, like my biggest weakness is after like I go numb and after like things starts to come back, like I don't know how to handle it, you know. So like I'm in that numb state, and then I come back to my usual self. I'm still not my usual self right now. I still think I'm kind of numb. So yeah, like this whole week it was just like falling into like relapsing. That's it. So yeah, like the first half of the week it was just just like everything was breaking down. First of all, like this week, the biggest problem was money problem. I realized how important like I always knew that money is important, but I never knew it was like now I actually need money. You know, it's a first world country and everything is expensive, and I need money and I need it quickly. So I started doing like service and stuff like that. So yeah, like right now I don't have a client, and yeah, that's my only income, like service, making like £5 a day and something like that. Yeah. The main reason why I started doing service is because like this whole week, no Wi-Fi. Even today, no Wi-Fi. Like the engineer is coming tomorrow morning to fix the Wi-Fi. Like the router came in Wednesday, I think, and they said that the broadband line is gonna come on the 9th, but it didn't. And I called them, and yeah, they're gonna come tomorrow morning. And hopefully this week is everything goes smoothly. So also this week, like the heating broke, there was no electricity, all that stuff. Everything did turn out well, but like yeah, this week was just tough, like really tough, man, just really tough. It broke me this week. It was a very chaotic week this week. So yeah, like I also did like a lot of productive stuff. Like I opened up a PayPal account. I got a Monzo I got a bank card and stuff like that. I got everything. I got a zip card. Like the zip card was like a little bit of drama. I didn't have that £21. I asked my caretakers for it, but they wouldn't give me, and it was just like a really big drama. But anyways, yeah, that was handled. And also at the end of the week, I met my old friends. Like I used to live in the UK, I went back to that third world country in 2023, and I came back just a few weeks ago, and then I met my old friends back from when I was like when I was 13, 14, and they still haven't changed. And I realized like I don't want to be with them anymore. I don't like them anymore. Like I do like them, but it's just time for an upgrade. They won't help me uh you know better my life, They're just going on about the day, wanna be roadmans, and it's bad. I don't like that. Yeah, I live in East London area. This is a poor area, and like this area is just really bad, full of wannabe roadmans. No chance of networking. My plan is after like I get the zip card, I'm gonna go to central London or somewhere where I can network with stuff like that. And yeah, like this whole week it was just like that, like constant chaos. Like there was no electricity, no heating, um, no table, but everything like at the end of the week, I got my table, I got my zip card, I got my bank card, I got my PayPal, I got everything. And yeah, hopefully this week is going to be better. That's good. This like it has to be better. Yeah. And my biggest goal for this week is the work. Like week 46, I didn't work on my business at all because of limited Wi-Fi and data. But hopefully this week after I get the Wi-Fi, I want to have everything in place with the work and the workouts as well. I don't talk about this as well, but like the workout is always good. I found a park as well, nearby park, and it's always quiet, no humans at all. And what do you call it? Even if there is humans, they don't disturb me or anything. They don't look at me, and which is really good. They don't give me any sort of attention. They don't even glance at me. Like which is really really good. This is one of the biggest perk about the UK. No one really cares about you, and that's what I love about this place. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. I don't think like I'm explaining it really well, but yeah, this whole week was just chaotic. And hopefully, like week 46, yeah, it's gonna be better. Just waffling right now. Anyways, I'll see you at the end of week 46.